just for the storm that's coming. These seem like these would be so good. These two. Guys, look what I found, y'all. Let's get. Hey, y'all. So I did add a few items. I forgot to record, but this is the stuff. I got 2 baskets. So let's go. Hey, y'all. About to scan my stuff. How much y'all think I'm gonna spend? I honestly think this is gonna be at least $200, but we're gonna see. Y'all, we got our stuff. Let's go. Get water in your bucket too. This is my go-to order from Chick-fil-A. I always get the kale crunch salad with grilled chicken, 2 packs of honey, and 2 packs of peach hot sauce. It is so good. Okay, this is the before. Ew. This is so. Okay, yeah, my toes are done. And my hands. Look at my feet. We got one more stop. We gotta go to Osa. Come on. Okay, we got our foaming cleanser. You can never go wrong with these, literally. Bag secure. Let's go home.